Hi, I'm Kristin Oviedo, and this is what constellation is a hunter with a belt of stars. So the short answer to this question is Orion, the hunter. And it's probably one of the most well-known constellations because the belt of stars is really, really easy to find. If you live in the northern hemisphere, you can really only see it during the winter. It is a winter constellation. It will be visible sometimes as early as October, but you can definitely see it between January and May, the best, although at different times depending on the month. So over here, as you can see, I've drawn this amazing picture here, and I'm about to label it for you. So I've used the typical astronomer's convention of drawing the stars in proportion to how bright they are. So in Orion, your brightest star is going to be Rigel, and we'll label that for you. And your second brightest star up here is going to be Betelgeuse. Now some people want to say Betelgeuse, but I think Betelgeuse is more fun. But it is a beast to try to spell. So Betelgeuse is actually a red giant star, and when it eventually goes type 2 supernova, it will actually be visible during the daytime from Earth. So then you have the three belt stars, of course, really easy to find. And then you have the Orion Nebula. I'll put Orion Neb for short. So these stars are probably the easiest part of the constellation to see. There's others that are part of it, but they're a lot dimmer, and these are the most recognizable parts of it. I think Orion is a really important constellation to know also because you can use it as kind of a little guide to find the brightest star in the entire sky, which is, it would be like this big. Sirius. It's not technically part of Orion, but it is, again, the brightest star in the sky, so it's pretty useful to know where it is and how to find it. I'm Kristin Oviedo, and that's which constellation is a hunter with a belt of stars.